हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री चैम्प। सो आज जो चैप्टर हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं दैट इज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स। सो केमिकल काइनेटिक्स होता क्या है? सो इट इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री दैट डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन। सो हम बोल सकते हैं केमिकल काइनेटिक्स वो ब्रांच है केमिस्ट्री की जिसके अंदर हम किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन का रेट जो है उसको स्टडी करते हैं, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं जो हमारे पास केमिकल रिएक्शन है उसकी स्पीड हम स्टडी करते हैं। किसके अंदर? केमिकल काइनेटिक्स के अंदर। सो केमिकल काइनेटिक्स इज द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री दैट डील्स विद रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन। So in chemistry there are various types of chemical reaction. First is very fast reaction, second is very slow reaction, and third is moderate reaction. So first is very fast reaction. So these are those reaction which complete in milli and microseconds. Okay, so they do not take a longer time. Okay, so these are very fast reaction. For example, photosynthesis. Second, H2 plus Cl2, they produce HCl. This is also a fast reaction. Now the second is slow reaction. So slow reaction are those which complete in 1 day, 2 days, several days, or we can say a week, a month, or a year. So these are those reactions which complete to take a several times. For example, curd formation. Second example, rusting of iron. So these are the examples of slow reaction. Okay. Now the third is moderate reaction. So these are those reaction nor very slow nor very fast. Nor very slow, neither very fast. For example, Haber's process, N2 plus H2 they gives NH3 ammonia. This is Haber's process and this is reversible. Okay, so this reaction is not balanced, so there is 2, 6, so 6. Okay, now this reaction is balanced. Or another reaction we can say carbon plus oxygen, they form CO2. This is also moderate reaction. So in chemical kinetics we study those reactions. We can measure their speed or we can measure their rate of these chemical reactions. So in chemical kinetics we study moderate reaction. Okay, so in chemical kinetics we are study about the rate of a chemical reaction. So in a chemical reaction a reactant is converted into product. So we are talking in terms of reactant and products. Okay, so in starting with reactants are converted into products. So these are reactants. After some time this is converted into product. So let us, A is reactant. After some time this is converted into product B. Okay, so A is our reactant. So we can say that what is rate? So rate, this is equals to change in concentration of reactant. Change in concentration of reactant with time or per unit time we can say. So this is rate, means यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ ना कुछ अमाउंट होगी रिएक्टेंट की. आफ्टर सम टाइम दिस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट, मींस यहाँ पे जो कंसंट्रेशन होगी रिएक्टेंट की वो चेंज हो जाएगी कुछ टाइम के बाद. So that is rate. Rate is equals to change in concentration of reactant per unit time. So this is in terms of reactant. We can also write in terms of product. So that is rate is equals to change in concentration of product divided by time. Means after some time we are having product, so change in concentration of product divided by time taken. So that is rate. Okay. So when we are considering rate in terms of reactant we are taking here negative sign. Why we are taking this negative sign? So let us consider. So this is A. Initially when the reaction is not started, so we are having time t is equals to 0 because reaction is not started at this time. Okay, and now we are having concentration of this A. So let us assume that this concentration is A and reaction is not started, means that we are having only reactant, products are not there. So concentration of product 0. After time t, so t is equals to t. After time t we are taking, we can say after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds. Okay, so it may be t. So the concentration of A reduces, means that A is converted into product. So A minus X, let us assume that this concentration is reduced from A. So means A minus X. And the concentration, this is reduced, this is equals to product. Yes or no? Because law of conservation of mass means यहाँ पे जितनी भी हमारे पास कंसंट्रेशन रिड्यूस हुई होगी रिएक्टेंट के अंदर से, उतना ही हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट बना होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंसंट्रेशन. नाउ लेट अस चेक इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिएक्टेंट हाउ दिस माइनस साइन केम. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिएक्टेंट चेंज इन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट, so final concentration minus initial concentration. So final concentration is A minus X minus initial concentration minus A divided by time. So time is T minus 0. So T minus 0. So that would be equals to A to A cancel out minus X by T. And rate, or we can say speed of a chemical reaction can never be negative. स्पीड किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन की कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती है. स्पीड जो होती है हमेशा पॉजिटिव होती है केमिकल रिएक्शन की. दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग हियर माइनस साइन, सो अ माइनस साइन कम हियर एंड दिस माइनस साइन एंड माइनस साइन वुड बी प्लस. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग हियर नेगेटिव साइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिएक्टेंट. Let us consider in terms of product. So in terms of product, final concentration minus initial concentration. So this is the final concentration of product. So X, initial concentration of product 0 divided by final time T, initial time 0. So X by T. Okay, that's why we are taking in terms of reactant, that is negative sign. Okay. We can further write like this: rate is equals to minus dr by dt. Now what is this? This is the term, this bracket we are using for term concentration. We are using for concentration, and d by dt is small change we can say, or instantaneous small change we can say. So that is d by dt. If we are talking about average, so we are using a sign that is delta. Delta means final minus initial. Like we are having time t1, t2. This is initial time, this is final time. So final minus initial, that is delta. Okay. So these are instantaneous rate, or we can say this is small change we are finding out with the help of d by dt. So we are writing in terms of reactant. If we are writing, this is in terms of product. So this is equals to dP by dt. There is, we can write positive sign or otherwise leave. Okay. So this is the rate of a chemical reaction. minus dr by dt, otherwise dp by dt. Okay, now we are talking about the graph plot of these dr by dt and dp by dt. Okay. So now we are talking about the graph. So graph in between concentration and time. Concentration and time. So this is the graph of reactant. Reactant means we are taking here concentration of reactant. Now this is the graph of product. Concentration of product, we can say concentration of product and time. So this is the reaction. A is going to product. Okay, so A is converted into product. Initially we are having only A, that is reactant, and product is 0. After time T, there is concentration reduced and there is concentration of product. So if we are talking about the concentration of reactant only, so we are having only the concentration of reactant, means higher concentration. If we are taking, this is 50 gram, means we are having like 50 gram of A, like we are having any reactant. So the amount of reactant is we are having completely, not any product is present. So means that the concentration of A is completely higher. When the time increases, so this concentration decreases like this. This is reduces from A. So the graph would like this. With T, with time, this concentration decreases with time. Okay. Now same as for product, we are having 0 concentration initially. Initially we are having 0 concentration. There is 0 concentration. When the time increases, so the product concentration increases. And we can also find out like this. At T1, this is the concentration. T1, this is X1. At time T2, this is the concentration X2. So we can find out like final minus initial. So rate is equals to X2 minus X1 divided by T2 minus T1. So this is the rate from this graph. Okay. Now we are talking about from this graph how to calculate. So at time T1, this is the concentration X1. At time T2, this is the concentration. So rate would be equals to X2 minus X1, X2 minus X1 divided by T2 minus T1. Okay. From this we can find out the rate, and here is negative sign also present because this is in terms of reactant. Okay, so these are the graph of reactant and product. Now we are talking about how to write rate of a chemical reaction. So for example, we are having this A plus B, they gives C. Okay, so this is the chemical reaction. How to write rate? So rate is equals to minus, if we are talking in terms of reactant, so this is reactant, this is also reactant, this is product. We are talking, we are having also D. Okay, so this is the reaction. If we are talking in terms of A, that is reactant, so minus dA by dt. Okay, so rate also equals to in terms of B. So this is equals to minus dB by dt. This is also equals to, if we are talking in terms of product, so there would be positive sign because in this we are taking in terms of product. So product dC by dt. Same for dd by dt. So in this example we are having only the A, B, C and D. If there are stoichiometric coefficient are present, so what would be the rate? So A plus B, they gives C plus D. Okay. So here we are having 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we are having initially at time 0. So their concentration is A0. Their concentration is B0. Their concentration is 0 because reaction is not started at time t 0. So there is concentration 0. There is also 0. After time t, their concentration would be some negative because this is the initial concentration. After some time, this is reduces. So this is 2x minus 2x. Their coefficient is minus 2x. Same for this B0 minus 3x. This is 4x. This is 5x. So these are the concentration. Now we have to find the rate. So how to write rate? Change in concentration in terms of reactant. So in terms of reactant we are taking minus sign. Minus final concentration A0 minus 2x minus initial A0 divided by time t minus 0. Okay. So there would be A0 to A0 cancel out and this is minus minus plus. So plus 2x by t. This is equals to rate. Or we can also write this rate in terms of A. So this is dA by dt. So this is equals to 2x by t. So how to write in terms of concentration? So this would be equals to 2 going to in divide, cross multiply. So 1 by 2 dA by dt. This is equals to x by t. Means change in concentration per unit time. Okay. So this is the rate. Means if there are some coefficient is given like there is 2. So this is coming in divide. So the conclusion is there is 2. So this is in divide. How to write rate for B? We are taking the short trick like there is 3. So that would be equals to 1 by 3 dB by dt. If we are having for this, so there is also negative sign because we are taking in terms of reactant. So there is also negative sign. There is also negative sign in terms of reactant. If we are talking in terms of product, so that is 1 by 4 dC by dt. In terms of product, this is also product. So this is 1 by 5 dd by dt. Okay. So this is the rate of a chemical reaction. If there is some coefficient is given, so we have to write in upon. Okay. Like this is 2. So 1 by 2. If there is given 1 by 2, so how to write? So there is given 1 by 2. There is 1 by 3. How to write rate? So rate that is equals to minus in terms of A. So dA by dt. There is 1 by 2 is given. So 1 by 2. So means that this is equals to minus 2 dA by dt. Okay. Means 1 by 2 is coefficient given. इसको डिवाइड में हमको लिखना है. So that is minus 2a minus 2 dA by dt. Same for this 1 by 3. So 1 minus is also here 1 by 3 dB by dt. So means that minus 3 dB by dt. So this is the rate in terms of reactant. Same we are writing for product. Now we are having C and D, so we are writing simply. If we are having coefficient, so we are writing like this. Okay, so we have to write rate like this. Okay, now we are talking about some question, like these are some question are given. So here we have to find the rate. Okay. So our first question is, for a chemical reaction A is going to product, the concentration of reactant changes from 0.03 m to 0.02 m in 30 minutes. Calculate the average rate of reaction. Okay, so this m is molarity, we can say moles per liter. Moles per liter. Okay, molarity we already know. What is molarity? Okay, so this m is moles per liter. So in this we are having A is going to be, okay, so their concentration, like initial concentration 0.03 m, final concentration is 0.02 m in 30 minutes. So T0, T here 30 minutes. So we have to find out the average rate of reaction. Average means delta. We have to find delta. Means minus del R by del T. This is the rate, we can say. So in terms of reactant we have to write. So rate would be equals to minus del, this is A, divided by del T. Okay, or small t we can write. So this is equals to minus del means final minus initial. So final concentration, this is concentration. So final concentration minus 0.02 minus 0.03. This is in molar, divided by time. 30 minutes minus 0 minute. 30 minus 0 minute. So this is equals to 0.01 minus, there is minus 0.01 molar divided by 30 minute. So this is 0.01 minus minus plus molar divided by 30 per minute. Or we can also write like this, 0.01 divided by 30 mole per liter per minute. Okay, so this is the answer. We can also solve this. Okay, now we have to write the rate in terms of average rate. For average we are using this simply. If there is written as we have to find instantaneous rate, so we are writing here d by dt. If we are talking in terms of reactant, so minus. If we are talking in terms of product, so positive sign. Okay. Now we are talking about our second question. For the reaction 2A plus B, they gives 3C. The rate of appearance of C at time t is this, and then at time calculate, we have to calculate rate of reaction. Okay, so the chemical reaction that is given, that is 2A plus B, they gives 3C. So 2A plus B, they gives 3C. Okay. Firstly, we have to write rate of a reaction. How to write rate? Rate is simply rate. This is equals to, in terms of reactant, there is coefficient given. So minus 1 by 2 dA by dt. In terms of B, minus dB by dt. In terms of product, 1 by 3 dC by dt. Because if we are having coefficient, that is coming in upon, yes. So 1 by 3. This is the rate, and in this is given the rate of appearance of a C at time t. This is equals to this. So the value of this is given. The value of this is given. So this is equals to 2.6 into 10 to power minus 4 mole per liter per second. This is the unit. So what are the units? We are talking in the next lecture how to find out these units. If unit is given, so how to find out the order. Okay, so we are talking in next lecture. So this is the unit given. Okay, now we have to find out rate of disappearance of B. Rate of disappearance of B we have to find out. This is given, rate of disappearance of B. This is equals to this and this is equals to this. So rate of disappearance of B, this is equal. Okay. Now we have to find out the rate of disappearance of A. Means we have to find out minus dA by dt. We have to find out this. So we can take this and this. Okay. So we have to take this minus 1 by 2 dA by dt. This is equals to 1 by 3 dC by dt. Okay, we have to find out this term only. So minus dA by dt means rate of disappearance of A. This is equals to 2 cross multiply, so 2 by 3 dC by dt, dC by dt. Okay, and dC by dt value has this because there is given rate of appearance of C. Rate of appearance means dC by dt. This is equals to 2.6 into 10 to power minus 4 mole per liter per second. So this value is given. So 2 by 3. This is multiply by 2.6 into 10 to power minus 4 mole per liter per second. We have to calculate this and the answer will be, okay, the answer will be come. So this is the rate of disappearance of A. Now we are talking about rate of disappearance of B. This is in terms of this. So dB by dt we have to find out. This will be equals to this. So this is equals to 1 by 3 dC by dt. So we have to put here dC by dt, that is 1 by 3 into 2.6 into 10 to power minus 4. So the value will be come up, that is rate of disappearance of B. Okay. From this we have to calculate rate of appearance of A, rate of disappearance of B. Okay. Now we are talking about our next question, that is decomposition of N2O5 is expressed by the equation. This is N2O5. This is decomposed into 2NO2 plus half O2. Rate of decomposition of N2O5 is given and we have to find out rate of formation of NO2 and O2. Okay, let us calculate. This is also simple. So in this equation is already given N2O5. This is decomposes into 2NO2 plus half O2. This is given. In this, rate of decomposition is given. Means D minus D by dt of N2O5. This value is given. Means rate of decomposition is given. Rate of this is given. This is equals to 1.8 into 10 to power minus 3 mole per liter per minute. This is given. Now we have to calculate rate of formation of NO2. So there is a formation of NO2. Firstly we have to write the rate according to this equation. So rate will be equals to minus d by dt of N2O5. This is equals to 1 by 2 dB d by dt of NO2. This is equals to, this is 1 by 2. So 2 will become 1 by 2. So 2 d by dt of O2. So we have to calculate this d by dt of NO2. So we can calculate from both of these equations because this is given and we have to calculate only this part. So minus d by dt of N2O5, this is equals to 1 by 2 d by dt of NO2. So 2 cross multiply, so d by dt there is 2 and minus sign is here, N2O5, this is equals to d by dt of NO2. So this is the rate of formation of NO2. So we have to calculate this. So this is equals to, minus sign is here, so with negative sign, and this value is this 1.8 into 10 to power minus 3. So 2 into 10 to power minus 3, 2 into 1.8 into 10 to power minus 3 mole per liter per minute. So this is the value of the rate of formation of NO2. Okay. Now we have to calculate for O2. Simply we have to take this and this. So we can simply calculate the rate of formation of O2. So from this equation, minus d by dt of N2O5, this is equals to 2 d by dt of O2. So we have to find out only this term. So this 2 is in divide. So 1 by 2, and the value of this is 1.8 into 10 to power minus 3 mole per liter per minute. So we can easily calculate this value. So this is the rate of formation of O2. Okay. These are the simply question we can calculate here rate of a chemical reaction. There some specific data is given in terms of reactant or in terms of product. Okay. So this is the today topic. Hope this topic is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.